How to fix Roblox not installing or launching in Windows. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix the Roblox installation and launch issues. It's a very simple yet annoying glitch. When you install Roblox, it does not finish installing, and when you try to launch it, it does not work. To fix this, first delete the Roblox, go to Add or Remove Programs, search for Roblox and uninstall it. Then download and install Roblox again. Then download and install Roblox again from your browser. And if the installation does not complete, open the runtime window by pressing Windows key plus R. And then type app data in the run window and go to the Roblox folder. Then find the most recent version and run Roblox launcher.exe. This will ensure the installation completes. After that, test by joining the game and you're good to go. This is how you can fix the Roblox not installing or launching in Windows. If this helps, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.